do it. So we're gonna pat dry. So the instruction is we're gonna pat dry our lechon belly. Pat dry, mama. We pat dry the no, only the skin part, mama.
The skin part.
Yeah, only the skin part.
Mm.
Pat dry, and then the other side as well. The other one.
Mm.
So this is 1 kilo each. Yeah, pat dry. More here, mama, please. Yes. And then we're gonna put a little bit of oil.
Okay.
Yeah. Dry. This is the instruction of the reheating of the Filipino lechon belly. So we're gonna put a little bit, just a little bit of oil,
Yeah.
mama. Thin layer of oil. There you go.
Mm.
Nice. The other side as well. Yeah. Massage it all over including the sides, mama, please.
Okay.
Yeah, just a little bit. The sides. There you go.
Brush ani.
Oo, naman may brush, ma. Do we have a brush? Kami, Owen pa.
Mao.
Owen is always have everything, you know. So
There you
this is our pork belly that we're gonna put in our oven. And then this is the Mang Tomas. It comes in tamang-tama. There's 4, 1 each.
Yeah.
1 for you. And they have a letter here. It says, "Thank you for your support. We hope you enjoy. Uncle Pinoy." So that's...
Asa man na sila nakapuyo dahil?
I don't know. It's just like I saw it in
Nakadungog naman ko arong Uncle Pinoy.
Yeah, I think they're known now. I don't know where they're coming from. I think the oven ma is okay now, so we can put it inside. Yeah, there it is. So this is our lechon belly, and then we're gonna put it inside the oven now. There we go. Inside the oven. Yes. And then we ano it na, mama. We turn down our oven for